So guys, today we have my debut icon, and EA have done an EA thing. They brought out Premier Packs, so I've loaded up 12k, and we're gonna rip them because it's the start of the game. Why not? Right. So I think it's right. We start with two tradable 100k packs. This is crazy. So first one. This is 2,000 FIFA points. This is so much. Boom. Alright, is that a team of the week? Argentina, Syria. I don't know. Is that by Bala? That's not bad. Is it a double? It's a double. Who's that? That's tradable, right? So that is. Ho ho ho! Nice, that's coins. Send it all to the transfer. Every single one. Everything's got to sell. Cool. See some coins. Alright, let's go again. Jumbo Rare Players Pack. Alright, I don't know what that means. Striker. Okay. Get a double. Double. That stinks. 84. Ah, Griezmann. Coins. Yes. Very nice. Alright, everything goes. So all gets sold. And I even got in Kuku. I'm using my team. Nice. Alright. So, what's next? So it's all promos. So what are we doing next? So what is this? Foundation starter pack, 30 rare gold players item, 2 guaranteed P. I don't want ones with loan picks in, man. What the fuck? Prime gold players pack. Yeah, let's do this. So right mid. English. Prem. You got a right card. It's 4-star, 4-star. Oh well. Whack it all on the transfer list. Don't care if it's non-rare or what. It's all been sold. Oh my god, there's 9 of these. What? Alright, we'll do another one. Cam. French. Syria. Rabiot? What? Rabiot. Alright. Get it all on transfer list. Running out of space already. Let's do it. Let's do another one. It's all tradable. Left wing. Spain. La Liga. Ferran Torres. That's alright, is it not? Surely he's got to go for something. And Turkey. I saw Turkey there. What? Yeah, Turkey's a good bit of coins. We'll take that all day. Why is Ferran Torres that much? Okay, it's getting to where I'm going to have to start just quick selling because I'm running out of space. Alright, so we'll go again. Maybe sure I'm not missing something here. 50, I don't want loan ones. What's better? That stinks. Alright, go again. Centre mid. Oh, get out of here. Packed in before. Little fraud. Worth anything? How much do they quick sell for? Oh, it's just quick sell on pack. Get it gone. It's 5, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Send it back. O'Brien. Oh man, please. Wissa. That's got to be some coins. What's happened to all these players' prices? Alright, anything worth anything? No. Quick sell. Okay. So, the promo packs are a bit rubbish, so I'm going to leave the rest for drafts. So, icon pack. I want anyone. I want Iniesta. I don't want Gerrard. I wouldn't mind Cruz, Zlatan, Ronaldo. Alright, let's just do it. I'm sorted. Oh no. Oh. God, I'm not using that, am I? Shit, man. I'm fuming. Absolutely fuming. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna delete the game now.